If you've been looking for a way to save time, especially when it comes to Instagram, this video is for you. My name is Rachel Pedersen. I'm a social media strategist for many of the personal brands and businesses that you love and know. And I'm the US ambassador for Metricool. Super excited to share with you today a recent update to Metricool, which is so exciting and fantastic if you are a business owner, social media manager, agency owner, or just a content creator. I say just. Content creators rule the world. So if you are one of those people, you may have had some issues with trying to upload carousels and everything taking so much longer than it really should. I'm going to share with you today how you can auto-publish carousels on Instagram completely for free. It's pretty powerful. So the first thing you're going to do is head to metricool.com. That's metricool.com, metricool.com. From there, you're going to sign up for a free account. Now, Metricool allows up to 50 posts per month for free, lifetime access. It's really, really powerful, but their pricing is extremely reasonable and affordable, whether you're a successful company or one that's just in those startup phases and you got to bootstrap a little bit. You can either work with the free option or some of their really affordably priced packages. So we're going to dive on in, and you can sign up once again for free. Feel free to use code Rachel for 30 days free of their premium access. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna do is get your different accounts connected. The only one that really matters for today's tutorial is Instagram, and my Instagram is connected. You'll notice I have Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Google My Business, YouTube, and Facebook ads all connected to Metricool because it supports you with scheduling, automating, analytics, and even some research for pretty much all of those. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the planning tab inside of Metricool. From there, I'm going to click create new post. But first I'm going to click on Instagram so I can see based on the visual best times to post. You'll notice that it says right here, better times are where the pink here is a lot darker, and the worst times to post are when it's a little bit lighter. Now, Instagram, generally speaking, has a lot of really good times to post. You can post from, oh gosh, starting at about 5 or 6 a.m. and it really heats up between like 9 a.m. and 2 p.m. And this is for me. You're gonna have different times based on your audience. And then it looks like it kind of starts to cool down around 3 p.m. and just continues to cool down as the day goes on. So right now would actually be a really good time to post a carousel. So I'm going to click on that spot. Notice how I did that real fast just so you can do it yourself. You can either double click on the spot that you want to schedule something in, or you can click create new post. I'm going to double click on the next hour. Now this is really neat because you can actually start with one piece of content and then add it to many different platforms. You can schedule TikTok, Pinterest, Google My Business, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter. Now, one thing I want to point out real fast, you'll notice that there's feed post and there's a carousel grid. And there's also the ability to schedule with push notifications, both Instagram Reels and Instagram Stories in this app. So they'll send the push notifications to you with the communication methods that you sign up for. So pretty cool. But to schedule a carousel, I'm going to just click feed post. And I'm going to add my text. Feel free to save this post and send it to a friend who needs encouragement. Now I already downloaded what I want to use for this, so let's go to my downloads, and I downloaded a bunch of quote cards here. So what I'm going to do next is I'm actually just going to drag and drop it here. Let's try it one more time. I think I accidentally slipped. Let's try one more time. Oh, come on. Let's try it right. We'll do it maybe one at a time and then see how they add. My computer's been working really weird with Shift and Control lately, which has been kind of driving me a little crazy, but it'll work. So you can add each and every one of the images, drag and drop, and then you can actually add hashtags in here too. They have a hashtag tracker, and it shows you the current volume of hashtags. So I could put like quotes for entrepreneurs, and it'll show me most of the hashtags that I could come up with. Hashtag volume, so I can actually track them and see where they're at here. Check this out. That's a really low volume one. And then I can keep adding. It even sometimes gives you ideas for hashtags. So like quotes, check this out, motivational quotes, inspirational quotes, life quotes, quotes to live by, success quotes. And I can sit here and add all of the hashtags that I want. And then I can either allow it to schedule at the time that I double clicked. I can change the time with this right here, or I can hit publish now, and you'll see that there's a little bit of that preview that shows you what this is going to look like, so you can rearrange the different slides inside of your Instagram carousel. And then you can also see what it's going to look like in the feed, and that is for each and every platform, which is really, really cool. So this replaces a lot of the needs for different software that you may have used in the past. And then make sure auto publish is turned on. If it's light, it's not. If it's dark, it's ready. And then you're going to hit save. And that is how you schedule, auto publish your Instagram carousels for free with Metricool. You can check it out in the bio beneath this video and also in the pinned comment. And not only that, but you can also test out using Metricool to schedule with the reminder for Instagram stories as well as your Instagram reels. I'll catch you guys later. Enjoy Metricool and saving tons of time and money in the process.